Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hello and welcome. Previously I told you that I will wait with the assembling of the engine after I get all the missing parts. But due to the situation we are currently at, I cannot get those parts and I don't know when I get them. So I have the rings, I have the bearings, I have the oil pan seal gasket, so I will start putting the engine back together, and when I get the rest of the parts I will finish it. So hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, as you see I have the piston here. I will be changing the rings and bearings on them before I put them back on the engine. And one piston doesn't have rings because I took them off to measure the clearance in the block to know which rings to buy. Okay, I will getting started on those. Okay guys, my battery is getting low on the camera, so I did the piston rings, I cleaned the pistons, I cleaned the cylinders, and when the battery goes off I will put just the pistons in the block because it's getting kinda late and I need to charge the camera and rest a bit. So next time you will see I will getting the crankshaft in and other parts. See you soon. I prepared the first one. To place it I need to just loop the cylinders, and if you don't know how to put the piston into place, there is an arrow pointing towards the timing belt, and always remember that the gaps need to be put 120 degrees from each other. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the process of changing the rings and bearings and how to install the pistons in the cylinder. So it's all done. I am finishing for today, and next time I will be putting the crankshaft, the oil pump and of course oil pan. So see you soon. If you like what you see, leave a like, leave a comment and maybe subscribe.